IT2700 multi-channel modular power system brings ultra-high power density with flexible module design. There are IT27031U frame with touch screen and IT27021U frame without front panel. The 1U main frame can include up to 8 modules, 200 watt each, or 4 modules, 500 watt each. The modules could be bidirectional power supplies, DC power supplies, or regenerative loads. Single module voltage up to 150 volt, current up to 30 ampere. Different modules can be paralleled and synchronized. They have built-in LAN, USB, digital I/O, and free PC software. For high-precision testing requirements, 2 and 4-quadrant source meter modules are also available. It can be widely used in ATE integration in RD, design verification, and manufacturing process. This is an IT27031U frame with touch screen. Left side is the power switch. In the middle is the on/off button and USB interface. Right side is touch screen, left and right arrow keys and pressing knob. The communication interfaces of IT2703 and every channel work indicator lights and output terminals are arranged in the rear panel. IT2703 frame adopts simple and clear UI design. It can automatically identify the model and number of assembled power supply and electronic load after power on. The channel number is determined according to the installation location. This prototype has 2 built-in IT27137R and 1 IT27157R modules, formed 3 bidirectional DC power channels. Now the set value and measured value of each channel are displayed on the screen. You can easily adjust output. Parameters can be set on the panel using the touch screen, arrow keys, and knob. Click on the value to be set. The flashing cursor is now on the VSET of channel 3. By pressing the arrow keys and rotating the knob to input numbers. Under CV priority, the bidirectional DC power supply also has upper and lower current limits to choose from. Click the current upper limit to set the parameters manually. The display and setting interfaces differ for different function modules. You can also click on the channel number to display the single channel interface on the panel. Switch between channels by pressing the left and right arrow keys. Pressing the on/off button on the front panel can synchronize on and off of all channels. If you want to control the output of a single channel, click on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. For example, channels 3, 4 and 6 are now available. You can conduct on/off with your required channel or press all on all off on this screen. Click on the menu icon in the lower left corner of the screen. You can see all the menu items. Config menu to set output parameters and protect, measure, trigger, recall, save, meter, recorder, function, delays, coupling, group, general, communication, digital I/O, preference, log and other functions. Parameters related to the electrical performance of the instrument can be set in the config menu. Different modules have different functions. The parameters to be set are different, subject to the actual situation. The bidirectional power supply module setting menu includes the current output parameters, CC/CV priority, slope and internal resistance, etc. In the Protect menu, you can easily set various protection parameters such as OCP, OVP, OPP. Each menu can be accessed through the channel in the upper right corner, then switch to set different parameters for different channels. Under the Function menu, there are List, ARB, CDARB, Sequence and Sign Sweep, etc. Professional testing functions include B simulation, battery simulation, B charge and B discharge, battery charge and battery discharge test. In Delays menu, the delay time of each channel can be set. On delay or off delay can be set for different channels as well, through which multi-channel timing sequence output can be realized. The above is the main functions of IT2700. Further data logging and analysis functions are available in the free PV2700 software.